Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a credit card payment in your Shopify. Really simple. Go to your settings in the bottom left hand corner once you're logged into your Shopify store. Click on that. From here you're going to go to payments. Once you're in payments, you obviously have the Shopify payments option available. If however you want to manually add in a specific provider, click on add payments, which is here. Now from here where it says search payment methods, if you click on that, that will come up with a list of different options that you can choose from. So let's say that you would like to add MasterCard to your payment methods. If you click on that, you can then scroll down and it will give you different options of different companies that will allow you to use Visa and MasterCard. You'll need to activate that and you'll need to connect that to your account. So if I click on activate Skrill official, for example, you would need to connect to Skrill and it would take you to the website and you would need to log in and follow those steps. And that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.